let's talk about the marketing plan right now, because this presentation is for marketing plan. And if you're here in this presentation, I would assume that you are already an FBO or a business owner of Forever, right? And you want to learn what's the marketing plan. So, how marketing plan means how do we get paid and how we make money. So, Forever Living Products marketing plan is about helping others get what they want and you get what you want. So, if you're a guy who thinks that you know everything, if you're a guy who thinks that you can be somebody without the help of anybody, then you are in the wrong meeting. This business is all about helping a lot of people to get what they want so that you can get what you want. So these are this is something that you really need to put in your mind when you're doing the business of Forever. So moving forward, let's talk about case credit. You must understand that every product of the company has case credit. Can case credits are sales volume. We measure the qualifications and recognitions all about case credit. So if you're in UAE, this is similar to uh, Carrefour. You know, Carrefour, they have what we call uh, My Club. You know, My Club points. So when you buy something to Carrefour, they give you points. It's called Club points. If you're in the Philippines and you have this SM Advantage card, so when you buy something on the purchase that you do, there's what we call the equivalent points. The same thing in Forever. When we buy a product of Forever, the Forever gives us case credit. So that's why it's important that when you purchase a product with a company, you always use your FBO number, your personal FBO number, so that you get the qualifications, you get the recognitions you deserve on buying the products. Okay, so when you start as in your journey in Forever, you will start as a Novus customer. So a Novus customers enjoys 15% discount on all the products of the company. So if the product is worth 1,000 dirhams, you will be only paying the products for 850 because immediately when you purchase that to our counter or the online website, you will be deducted 15% because you are a Novus customer. Okay? So if you purchase worth 2K's credit within 2 calendar months, as a Novus customer, you will be promoted to what we call an FBO. So a Forever business owner on a level of an assistant supervisor, meaning you will have a discount of 30% on the entire product line of the company. And as you proceed to the marketing plan of the company, you will get additional discounts and bonuses as you move forward and as your case credit or increase during your Forever business uh, qualifications. Okay, so if you're an assistant supervisor, it will be 30% plus 5%. So you enjoy 35% on the entire product range of the company. And if you, the highest level is manager, I will talk about that later. That's the 18%. So 30 plus 18, that will be 48%. And we'll discuss that more later on the presentation. Okay, so how do you earn? So this is the big question. How do you make money on it, right? So of course, we earn by sharing the products to our friends and families and to our customers. So when you become an assistant supervisor, your discount starts at 35 and the maximum discount is 48. So when you recommend the products to other people, you always sell them on retail price, on our catalog price, right? So on the top of that catalog price, you subtract your discount that let's say you're on 35%, then you are enjoying 35% retail customer earnings. So if the product is worth 1,000 and you buy it at 650 because it's 35%, the difference of that, which is a 350 dirhams, that's going to be yours. That's going to be your earning, right? So a lot of people think, oh, that's a small, that's uh, that's uh, That's not enough. And guys, uh, you have to think right now during the pandemic, a lot of people need an income or an extra income, right? A lot of industries right now are shutting down. A lot of companies are cutting out people, and we should appreciate everything that comes in our pocket, right? So at first you might think it's small, but as I move forward in the presentation, you will feel the benefit that the company can give you. That's again, okay. So what happened if you help someone to start the business as well? Let's say you just did not share them the products, you share them the business opportunity, you share them the income opportunity. So when you sponsor someone, they join as a Novus customer, you earn 20 to 33% income on it, right? So whatever they purchase, if you're an assistant supervisor, you earn 20%. If you're a manager, you will earn 33% on whatever they're purchasing. That's called Novus customer earning. Okay, so let's say this is you and you have three team members, and they also have team members with them. Okay, so all the case credits that you and your entire team accumulates over the 2 months, the company will count that for your move up, for you to be promoted. Let's say January plus February, that's the month. Okay. Let's say you are an assistant supervisor and you are now enjoying 35%. Now, assistant supervisor are the people who have two case credit. Okay. So now, during your business, you accumulate 25 case credit, you and your entire team, over a period of 2 months. Let's say you have your own 4 case credit, and this team, your entire team generates 12.5 case credit in your first month, and another 12.5 case credit on your second month, January and February. So the company will promote you immediately to what we call supervisor level, and you will enjoy 38% discount. Okay, so that's how you get promoted, by you helping other people, teaching other people. So it's not you becoming a super salesman. Guys, gone are the days that salesman makes a lot of money. Okay, especially during the pandemic. Okay, a lot of salesmen has been challenged by the pandemic. So right now is about the business of consistency and creating loyal customers in your brand or in your product. So look at this. If you achieve 75 case credit, you and your entire team, okay, achieve 75 case credit, you will be promoted to assistant manager, and you will enjoy 43% discount on the entire product line of the company. 120 case credit will bring you to manager, 48%. So that's almost buy one get one. That's almost half the price that you get on every time you purchase product, right? And there's another way to become a manager is by achieving 150 case credit in 4 months. So if you did not achieve 120 case credit in 2 months, you have an option to achieve it with 4 months, 150 case credit, and you will be promoted to what we call manager level. So all of these are your total personal discounts. So when you buy products, these discounts immediately apply on your receipt. Okay. Now let's talk about Novus customer. If you Novus customer bonus means you introduce the business to other people. You personally sponsored them. So if you're an assistant supervisor, your Novus customers enjoys 15%, right? On the discount. And you get 15% half because if you remember, I told you you have a 30% discount on flat rate. Now you're adding the 5, 8, 13, and 18 on that 15% your Novus customers is getting. So if you're assistant supervisor, you enjoy 20% Novus customer bonus. If you're a supervisor, you enjoy 23. Just add 15 with these figures and you will get that. If you're an assistant supervisor, assistant manager, that is called 28%. And if you're a manager, that's a 33% Novus customer bonus every time your Novus customers purchase. You enjoy that, and you will have a report every month on how much money you're getting uh, on your Novus customer bonus, and you will be surprised on the amount of money that you will be earning when you start sharing the business opportunity to other people. Next, next is group volume bonus, and group volume bonus starts when you are a supervisor. So when you are a supervisor, meaning you have assistant supervisors in your team. So every assistant supervisors, every transaction happens or sales happen in your assistant supervisor team, you have 3%. Okay, let's say you are an assistant manager, and your assistant manager on the in every assistant supervisors sales happening to you in your entire organization, you enjoy 8%, and every supervisor, okay, sales happening in that team, in your team, you have 5%. And look at this, if you're a manager, you enjoy 13% on your assistant supervisor team, you enjoy 10% on your supervisor team, and you enjoy 5% on your assistant manager team. And the good news is you can develop team as many as you want. Okay, next. Okay, now let's say you're a manager and you have assistant supervisor in your team, meaning in this person, beyond every sales that happen, every purchase that they will do, you earn 13%. Okay, so if they sell 10,000 dirhams, you have 1,300. Simple? Very simple, right? If you have a supervisor, let's say this team, every purchase happening with this organization, you have 10%. If they have a 20,000 dirhams accumulated sales, you have 10% of that. That's 2,000 dirhams. Okay? If you have assistant manager, you have 5% on the entire organization of this lady down the line. Okay? Can you imagine how powerful is this business is? It's like having your own McDonald's and having a lot of branches everywhere, because that's their concept of it. Okay? Now, qualification for bonus. If you're supervisor and beyond, okay, in order for you to get your group volume bonus, we need to do 4 case credit activity. And this is very simple. Month after month, you just need to create your 4 case credit habit. And I do this from my day one of business up to today. All right, so I can tell you it's really simple to do. And once you started coaching you and your entire organization to do 4 case credit month after month after month, you will see how the numbers will multiply and it will work positively for you. Okay, so let's say your personal purchase, you and your entire family use around 1.5 case credit, and you help you retail a, uh, 0.5 case credit to a new customer. You can use you retail it, let's say, and then you help somebody to introduce in the business. That's another 1.5 case credit. So you total this 1.5 plus 1.5, that's 3 plus 1 point, yeah, that's 3, and another zero point 0.5 for you, that's total 4 case credit. So it's a combination of uh, personal, retail, and a Novus business. So it's not you and your entire team, it's a combination of your personal case credit, your retail, and the Novus customers CC. Okay, so all you have to do is basic. And I'll be honest with you. At first, when I saw this, I thought it's hard to do. But after a few months in the business, I realized that me and my entire family is using more than 4 case credit of products, because whenever we just start changing our products and we don't go to grocery right now, we only buy food if we go to grocery, but all the things that we need in our house, like cleaning the laundry, dishwashing soaps, detergents, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, what you call this, creams, supplements that we use. This is beyond 4K's credit. Okay, so you can easily find yourself by just swapping. It's easily done. Okay, just swapping. Okay, leadership bonus. If you are a manager and you help someone to become a manager, you have 6% on the sales of the manager team. If you have a second generation manager, you have 3% of their sales. And if you have third generation manager, you have 2% of their entire sales of the business. This is so powerful. That's why it's important for us to help people to become manager. Eagle Managers Retreat, these are incentives that the company gives us. Like this is a free travel that you can have uh, in the business. Car incentive, we call it Forever to Drive. You can also achieve this when you are in the business. And Global Rally, these are the international trips that we get, and I'll show you more about that later on. Chairman's bonus is the most generous bonus that you can get. No, not I never seen a company that can give a bonus like forever, and it's just life changing. Gem bonus. So when you help people to become manager, the company will start you pay on gem bonus add-ons additional to the 6%, 3%, and 2% level. So how to make FLP work for you, Forever Living Products work for you? First and foremost, we have to use and share products for CC every month. Guys, this is not you becoming the super salesman. This is you becoming consistent on the business. You don't have to sell a lot of products. You don't have to be buying so much product and to be the super salesman. All you have to do, use the product and share at least 4K's credit per month. Simple, very simple. Sponsor and teach others to do 4K's credit. All you have to do is duplicate yourself, and whatever you do on achieving your 4K's credit, you teach them to do the 4K's credit. Okay, so let me show you a simple diagram. Let's say this is you, and let's say you help 5 people. You sponsor them into the business, and you teach them, okay, to do the 4K's credit. Look how the duplication happened. If you have 5 team members doing 4K's credit in each month, they are not selling a lot, they are not becoming super salesman, they're still living their business, their life. Okay, you have 20K's credit. Now watch what happened when they just share the business to just 3 people. Okay, so meaning you have second generation of 15 FBOs doing the business, and we teach these people to do 4K's credit. So now you have 60K's credit with this 15, and you have 20K's credit with this 5. You are just 21 people right now in your team, and you are averaging 84K's credit already in a month. And watch what happens if these 3 just share it to just 2 people each. That means you have 30 FBOs doing 4K's credit. Okay, that will put you to 120cc on the third generation, 60cc on the second generation, and 20cc on your first generation. That puts you a total in a 204K's credit. Guys, let's face it, we cannot sell a million dirhams worth of products. All we have to do, okay, is to duplicate ourselves, because our time is limited. That's why we need to duplicate ourselves. The more people we share our products and our business, the more people we teach for case credit to them, the more duplications happening in your business, and the business will just pay off. Okay, that's how simple is this business. There's no secret. Okay, and look at this marketing plan review. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about the features. Bonus and discounts are all based on SRP. So we always get paid on SRP, not on the discounted level. Moving up on the marketing plan of the company is always 2 months. So when you start this business, it will be 2 months move up. No level of requalification. Once you become a manager, you will never go back to assistant supervisor. You don't go down. No pass up. Let's say you're an assistant supervisor and you sponsor somebody as an assistant supervisor, and that assistant supervisor became a manager. Automatically, you will be a manager. You get that? You get that? And that's one of the beauty of this marketing plan. Another one, proven track record. The business has been here for the last 42 years. So if you think it's too good to be true that people really makes money, think again. Okay, because it's been proven for the last 42 years. You know what's funny right now is a lot of companies has been shutting down. Even they've been paying so much with their employee, they've been well-known companies, but they've been shutting down right now. But forever still continues to grow because of this track record that we have. Okay. No large inventory needed. When you start this business, all you need to do is to start with the box. It's called a combo pack. That is around 1,491 dirhams. That's inclusive the VAT. In the Philippines, that's around 22,000 pesos. So you don't need a lot of money to start this business. Okay. In the UAE, to start a traditional business, you have to spend minimum 30,000 just for the trade license. You have to look at for stuff. You have to look at the overhead expenses day in, day out. Here, you don't need to do that. 1,491, you're done. You can start a global business. No investment. Okay. Very, very minimal. Consumable products. This is one thing I like. The products, people buy them month after month after month. Repeat consumer, repeat customers. When you're done, let's say you're brushing your teeth and you saw the toothpaste is empty. What you do? You buy a new one, right? And that's the beauty of these products. They are consumable. The company is very financially stable, is cash rich and debt free, vertically integrated. We don't have any third party supplier. We do everything from our side. So we cut out the middleman. We don't advertise. Instead of paying advertisement, we pay the people who recommends our product. That's gonna be you and me. So all the budgets for marketing, it's it's been paid for us. So maybe you're thinking, how come you get this money? How do you get paid? Why it's so big? Because we don't do advertising. The budget for marketing is paid is getting paid to us. It's our income, right? International presence. We operate in 160 countries. Presently, I'm in the Philippines, and I'll tell you, every day I have sales happening in the UAE. That's amazing, right? Okay, because the company is in having international presence. Income source. We earn through retail by buying the product at wholesale, selling them on retail. Novus customer profit. When we introduce the business to other people and they join to become a Novus customer, we get paid. Novus customer bonus when they start to buy products, we get paid with bonuses. Group bonus when they start to become an assistant supervisor, when they start introducing the business to other people. Leadership bonus when we start building managers. We teach people to be serious in the business. Okay. Eagle managers. These are the trips incentive that we have for every drive. These are the car incentive. Uh, how would you feel if you work hard in this business and you get a free car? Isn't it amazing? How would you feel if you work hard in this business and the company would just say you have a free travel incentive? Okay, so that's something that you really need to look forward because we do a lot of traveling with this company. We do a lot of cars with this company. It's amazing. Okay, chairman's bonus. How would you feel at the end of the year? The company gives you a bonus on the entire profit share. We have because we have what we call profit share uh, incentive, and you somehow we get a feel of sense of belonging because when we work, we don't treat other people as a competitor. Instead, we treat them as a teammate. Why? At the end of the year, the company pays us chairman's bonus. It's like a profit sharing incentive. Gem bonus is an add-on when you start helping other people to move forward to the marketing plan. Okay, so let's talk about the Forever to Drive. If uh, if you achieve 50 case credit on month one, 100 case credit on month two, and 150 case credit on month three, the company will give you $400 allowance for your car for the next 36 months for 3 years. How would you feel? Okay, if you get a free car every 3 years. So that's amazing. This is me and my wife. We used to drive FJ Cruiser in the UAE, and I can tell you, it's amazing. Okay. We are on the level 3, which is 100 case credit, 200 case credit, and 300 case credit. So we get paid $800 every month to pay our car. Amazing, right? Okay, so travel. Traveling is something that I didn't plan in my life. I thought I will never I will never travel to other parts of the world because I'm just an ordinary guy. I used to work in the mall. Okay, so but because of Forever, they open up the opportunities that, hey, we have opportunity to see the world, and it's for free. Okay, so when I started this business, my first travel was in UK, and then it was in Italy, Singapore, South Africa, America, Thailand, uh, Sweden was the most recent one. We supposed to travel in Australia last May, but because of the COVID-19, it was cancelled. But uh, I'm really grateful to be a part of this company. So another one is the chairman's bonus. I'm talking about this earlier. It's an incentive that we are really looking forward each year because at the end of the year we get a share of the company's profit.